Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here. Thanks for watching once again. As always, the videos are all kept free of charge by the adverts that you see around the screen. So if you see an advert you like, click on it, go through to the advertiser, it generates revenue for us and shows the advertiser that you're interested in what they're doing. This is the update on Monday the 13th of February. Sorry, it's going to be quite a quick one today. Lots and lots of things going on here. So just bear with me while I whiz through the charts for you. Thought we'd just do a quick outlook. A quick forecast for the next sort of 7 to 10 days. This is this is the Ensemble model, the GFS Ensemble model from the weather website. If you go to the top of the screen that you're on now, click on weather charts, and then if you then come down the screen, scroll down the screen, you've got all the various models down the left hand side here. You see one is the GFS Ensemble. Click on to rain there, and you'll be presented with that chart. And what I want to show you, the time is here in the top right hand corner. Main thing to show you today is this high pressure that's still out towards the west of Ireland. There's remnants of a front that's just moving into the North Sea. We've got a northwesterly flow across the country through today. Now, it is feeling cooler out there, but just because of the wind, but actually if you look at southern England, where temperatures have risen, it's actually mild despite a cold front going through. It's one of the anomalies of wintertime conditions. But let's knock forward. Each of these charts go in 12-hour steps. There's midnight tonight. You can see most areas dry. High pressure still to the west. There's midday tomorrow. So for Tuesday, we're looking at a north to northwesterly flow. It's dry once again. High pressure out towards the west of the country. Into overnight into Wednesday, and there's Wednesday itself. Perhaps just a little bit of rain, look, just nudging into the north and west of Scotland on Wednesday, but generally, look, excuse me, conditions are dry overall. I do think we could just get an odd shower, perhaps just clipping the coast of East Anglia and southeastern parts of England during the course of Wednesday afternoon. As we get through into Wednesday night and through into Thursday, we'll find high pressure is off to the southwest of Ireland through Thursday. I think generally it looks as if it is going to be a dry day on Thursday, some good spells of sunshine. Again though, just a risk of a shower just clipping the coast of Norfolk, but generally for most it should be dry, although during the afternoon we could find that there's some outbreaks of rain just coming into northern and western parts of Scotland. Into Thursday proper, look, there's that rain just slipping its way south through Thursday, and that's a front that continues to try and edge southwards during the overnight period into Friday. Some outbreaks of rain, northern and western Scotland, northern and western parts of Ireland too, but you can see for many it is dry. Now during Friday itself, the remnants of that front are just going to be lying through here. They're going to be through Scotland, perhaps northwest England, through Ireland too. Not very heavy rain at all. I mean, it really is just cloud and outbreaks of rain, but for most of England and Wales you can see the day is dry. What is of interest is that to the north, look, if you follow these isobars back, you'll have seen me doing this on the video yesterday. Follow the isobars back, you see they're coming in from Greenland. So cold conditions coming in across Scotland and Ireland. This could turn the rain to sleet and snow across the hills. Further south though, further south across England and Wales, looks like it is going to be staying dry. So overnight into Saturday, may just find some rain coming onto these western coasts as the front continues to spread eastwards. And then into Saturday proper, well, got cold air coming through Scotland, northern England, northern Ireland. This could produce some pretty hefty showers across northern and western Scotland. Snow showers increasingly getting down to lower levels as well. I think near blizzard conditions at times across the Highlands and Western Grampians. And some wintry showers for northern and western Ireland too. And increasingly showers turning wintry on Saturday afternoon across northwest England. Excuse me. Down to the south, generally dry. I think it will be fairly cloudy though. Some showers around and some showers just running up the channel. You can see those there. And then overnight into Sunday, well, we continue with the showery theme across northern and western parts of the country. Those showers tending to spread their way eastwards through all areas during Sunday. Although I don't think these showers particularly very heavy. They will be fairly well scattered, but they'll be falling as sleet and snow over the hills, just as we get some colder air coming into northern parts of Wales, into the northern Midlands as well. So anywhere from there northwards that get to showers likely to have it wintry on the hills. I think less in the way of rain across eastern and southern parts of the country. High pressure still in control there and still staying fairly mild. Now briefly overnight into Monday, we may well find, look, northerly winds, northwesterly winds plunging their way further southwards through the country during Sunday and into Monday. That may bring colder weather southwards during Monday. I don't think a particularly cold outbreak. I think we're looking at temperatures 4s and 5s in the south, perhaps 3s and 4s up towards the north, and some wintry showers for northern and western parts of Scotland. So It isn't a huge wintry outbreak, but it is noticeable that it is cooler. And that's the way that we take things really into the beginning part of next week. I just want to show you as well the temperatures. This is how the temperatures are seen across the UK cities during the coming 14 days. You see there the days across the bottom. And notice this is this rising temperature this week, but then look at that fall next week as the northwesterly set in. But still, we're going to be looking at daytime temperatures about 5 and 6 degrees. This is the forecast for Birmingham, and again very similar, the rise and the fall, and then we're about 6 degrees into the end of the month. Similar again for Manchester, but Glasgow takes a bigger hit. Look, rising temperatures this week, but then some cold days to come. Remember what I said about that cold air generally trying to get into Scotland, and then those rising temperatures as we get into the latter part of the month. Now, there's good agreement between the models at the moment, so we can have reasonable confidence in the forecast. I'm not going to get into anything too technical today, as I say, so I think we'll leave it just there for now. Keep the sun shining, and thanks for watching.